Are you tired of snoring and breathing issues ruining your sleep? These nasal strips stick like glue, even on oily skin. They use special PET spring bands, boosting airflow by 50%. You barely notice them, even on the hottest summer nights. These strips stay put all night long, no slipping or sliding. Perfect for sensitive skin, so no irritation while you snooze. Use them anytime, anywhere, even when you can't wash your face. Feel the difference with better airflow for restful sleep. Say goodbye to discomfort. Enjoy a restful night. Grab your extra strength nasal strips now. Link in bio.